Would you like to learn how to make some delicious Southern style green beans just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started cooking some smoked turkey necks. I have my pot on medium-high heat, and I'm going in with some olive oil. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. I love to flavor up my pot before adding my turkey necks with some bacon jam and some Better Than Bouillon chicken base. Bacon jam is basically bits of bacon, caramelized onions, and brown sugar and stuff. But if you don't have it, you could just use a little bacon grease or you could just leave it out. I was just trying to help your palate. I'm also adding a few pimento seeds. Those add a nice savory aromatic flavor to the green beans. And I'm going to stir that around for about 1 minute before adding in the turkey necks and some onions and some garlic. Now I'm going to let those turkey necks brown up a bit and let the veggies saute for about 3 minutes or so before adding in some homemade chicken stock. I'll put my homemade chicken stock recipe above. You want to add enough stock to almost cover the turkey necks, but not all the way. And then you want to let this come to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium and cover the pot. And the turkey necks will take about an hour to an hour and a half to cook, or cook them until they're fork tender. I cooked my turkey necks for 1 hour. Actually, they don't have to be super tender here because they're going to continue to cook with the string beans, which are gonna join the party right now, along with some more onions and garlic, because the first onion and garlic that I added already cooked away to Flavorland. I like a little bite to my string beans. That's why I'm going to add the potatoes right now. I'm gonna let them cook together along with the string beans. But if you happen to like your green beans all soft and mushy with all the vitamins cooked out of them, just kidding. Then you would actually not add the potatoes now. You would cover the pot and let the string beans cook alone by themselves, well, with the turkey meat, for about 20 minutes before adding in your potatoes. Now I'm gonna add in some more chicken stock, as well as 1 packet of jamon, which is pork bouillon, and also 1 packet of salad and vegetable seasoning. Both of those seasonings are packed with flavor and they have plenty of salt, so I don't have to add any additional salt. But if you're not using those, then I would use some seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm also going to add some garlic and herb seasoning and some apple cider vinegar. Now, after I give the green beans a good stir and press those potatoes down to make sure that they're submerged in the liquid, I'm gonna leave the heat on medium, cover the pot, and let the string beans cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These green beans were so good, packed with flavor and simply delicious. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
it's so good, make sure you like and subscribe.